Alright everyone, how's it going? Here's another piece of technology that I bought at auction. This is a Goodmans portable colour television, which is the model C600. Let's just look at this. You can see there, C600. You got the specs. So I thought this looked kind of cool because, well, it looks retro. So you could use this for retro gaming, aesthetic purposes, or you could use it for a television. But bear in mind that the analog signal in the UK has been turned off, so you'll need some kind of external Freeview box to go into it. So let's have a look at it. So of course we've got the front screen there, which is pretty smart. It's also got a neat little stand underneath. Just pull this out. So it tilts at an angle. That's pretty cool. On the top we've got the power button, the volume knob, the TV button, and the two bands for the radio, because this is a radio as well. Bring that in. Got FM and AM. Got the handle, and we've got the radio antenna on the top. So that's the top. Let's look at the side. We've got the tuner knob, nice big tuner knob there. And we've got the RF connection there for your aerial that probably wouldn't pick anything up, but we can use that for an old games console. AC/DC power. Just to point out, you could use this in a caravan or a DC setup. Got two connections here for audio and video. A switch to switch between the TV and the video, and a headphones socket. And this side, we've got some contrast, brightness and colour. So you can see that there's a speaker there as well. Yeah, so let's turn it on. Nothing as of yet. Let's try something. To go with a portable television, we've got a portable PlayStation. Now, if you're looking at this, you're probably wondering, why is it flickering? Well, in the old days with the CRT, the tube televisions, or however they work, I'm not an expert, but it couldn't keep up with the frame rate, or I don't know, maybe someone technical could give me the answer, but either way, if you tried to film an old television, you'd end up with this flickering. But I can assure you that the quality on this old television for it being so old, it is pretty good. And I'm guessing because the resolution is quite small for the game, we're not stretching anything, it does seem to work quite well. The sound is pretty good as well. Yeah. So to go with your portable television, you've got your portable PlayStation. Works quite well together, I think. Maybe the colour Could have been black. That would have just been the only thing, but yeah, I kind of like it. That's smart. Another idea that you could use this for is to connect, say, an old Spectrum, an old computer, something like that. If you wanted to butcher it, not that, well, I wouldn't want to, but you could use the casing and insert an LCD screen or similar to have something more modern. I don't know, I feel like I'd be, if it was already broken, if this didn't work, then maybe I would do something like that, but the whole thing seems to work fine. There's nothing wrong with it apart from a little scratch on the top. The radio works, the TV works with this. So yeah, I'll probably keep it as is for now. Well, thanks for watching anyway.